Hi, this is my version of a Cathedral Topbar hive. Let me start off by saying I am not a beekeeper. I am a woodworker, and these are projects that I like to build stuff. And I'm going to show you a few things I've done differently on this hive that I have not seen done anywhere else. One thing, there are no holes for the entrance of the bees on the bottom or on the sides. It's all through this periscope entrance where the bees have to go up and in through holes at the top that give the bees direct access to the bee highway in the frames themselves. Let me open it up and I'll show you that path. So here the lid is off, and as you can see, these end pieces are permanently attached to the base, and the lid is just 3 parts with a couple of braces at each end. Yeah, like I said, bees come up the periscope and they enter in these holes here, which are direct access into the bee highway. So the bees do not have to ever go on the bottom or the sides of the hive. They can have direct access to their combs through the top. Another modification I have done to the top bars themselves is I've added this slot along both sides. That allows for this tool that I built to attach to both sides, clamp in, and once you have that in their slots, you can pull up the frame and manipulate it without much issue. Pretty easy to do that way. My other thought is that a mechanism could be added to a honey extractor where the frames could be clamped in, similar to being held like that, and the honey spun out. Don't know if that'll work, but it's a possibility. Thank you for watching.